the complete guide to Jenkins and how it can help you build better software faster. Introduction: what is Jenkins and why is it important? Jenkins is a continuous integration and delivery platform that helps to streamline the process of building, testing, and deploying applications. The tool provides support for software development in multiple programming languages, including Java, C++, PHP, Python, and more. Jenkins can be extended with additional plugins to provide a wider range of functionality. A significant advantage of Jenkins is that it has been designed with an extensible plugin architecture which allows users to add new features to the system or modify existing ones. What are the key features of Jenkins? Jenkins is a continuous integration and continuous delivery tool. It helps developers to automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications. It also provides a dashboard that shows the status of each job in real time. The dashboard can be customized to show different metrics like test coverage, build duration, or code coverage. Jenkins is written in Java, but it can be extended with plugins written in various programming languages including Ruby and Python. How to install Jenkins on Windows 10. Jenkins is an open-source continuous integration server that is used to automate the process of building, testing, and deploying software. To install Jenkins on Windows 10, you need to download the installer from the website, then run it and follow the instructions.